Hey guys, in this video, we're going to see the Bootup screen on the Samsung Galaxy A13. So to do that, just simply press on the side button here, press and hold, and this will allow your phone to turn on. And this is what you can expect on the Bootup screen on the Samsung Galaxy A13. Now at the top here, it will show the Samsung logo with the Galaxy, and then below there is an Android icon. After some seconds, the Android logo will go away and it will only show Samsung and Galaxy red. Now it may take some time for the device to boot up, so just wait patiently. After that, you will be presented with a lock screen. You can swipe to go into your home screen. You might be prompted for a passcode if you have set up your lock screen with a passcode or a password. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.